Hey everybody, this is Eric, your Director of Fun here at Spinnaker in beautiful Hilton Head, South Carolina. Well, we decided to take a little day trip today to go out and maybe find some things that might be fun to do for the whole family. And the first place we decided to stop was right here. This is at Port Royal Cypress Wetlands, and it is incredible. What a beautiful place to see nature, a great walk, a great boardwalk. You can walk all the way around. You can see turtles, you can see gators, giant tropical birds. It's amazing. This is an amazing place. You gotta make sure you stop by. We are right here, very close to the historical Port Royal Foundation Museum. But look at this whole area. This whole area is a museum. This place is beautiful. Look at this place right here. I love this. An old Gulf gas station that's now a florist shop. That sign, it's just beautiful. And right next door is this little house, which was probably the former owner of the gas station. But now it's a great place called Carolina Cuppity Cakes. Great little cupcakes. You gotta try some. They're fantastic. All right, so you want to go to the beach, but you don't want to go to the super congested beach that you find sometimes here on the island. A great place to go is right here. This is Port Royal, and this is the Sands Beach. You can drive right onto the beach, a beautiful secluded beach, perfect for a great family day. And from what I hear, it's also a great place where you can find shark's teeth. Check it out. Hey, it's me again, your Director of Fun, right here at the Port Royal Boardwalk and Observation Tower at the Sands Beach. What a great place to walk and just to look around. I mean, the view is amazing. That's Parris Island right there. This is also a great place to go if you want to do some dolphin watching. Over the last few minutes, we've seen just so many of them cruising right through this channel. A great place to go here at Port Royal Boardwalk and Observation Tower. While you're in Port Royal, make sure you stop by this place right here, Maynard's Ice Cream and Cafe. They have incredible ice cream, and of course, they also have great pastries and fresh-made donuts every day. Stop by for your coffee. You don't want to miss it right here at Maynard's. So this is definitely a place you have to go. We are in Beaufort, South Carolina, and we are at Kazoobie Kazoos. You heard me, kazoos. We are at the Kazoo Museum. And this is Kazoobie Kazoos, and they are one of 3 factories that make kazoos in the world. One is New York, one is in the UK, and the other is right here in South Carolina. They're going to show you step by step exactly how to make kazoo and all sorts of amazing, amazing instruments.
We have our kazoo.
Right.
We accessorized.
The horn.
We wanted more air out the wazoo, so we put a horn on it.
More air out the wazoo.
So now we have a wazoo. Then we took a
That is fantastic.
bell, a trumpet in. Now we got a wazoogle.
A wazoogle.
And now you've got a kazoogle, and this one's actually my favorite.
Wow. And each one of the sounds is distinctly different. A great tour, a great place to come, and great for the whole fam. Trust me, you need to get yourself a Kazoobie Kazoo. And on our final stop on our day trip out from our Hilton Head resorts, we are right here in Beaufort at Waterfront Park off of Bay Street. And of course, if you look right behind me is the iconic swinging bridge, but we'll get back to that in just a second. Like I said, Bay Street, amazing place. You definitely want to come. Lots of great stores, lots of boutiques, art galleries, and restaurants. All sorts of great restaurants from casual to fine dining. Great place to spend the day. This beautiful park, and of course, like I said, that bridge right over there, you might even recognize it. It's actually the star of one section of a very famous movie. That's the bridge that Forrest Gump ran over in the movie Forrest Gump. Do you recognize it? You might even be able to get its autograph. I don't know. You can ask it. I don't know if it'll work out. Give it a shot. Either way, thank you so much for coming out and been enjoying the day with us here. And we hope you enjoyed our little day visit to Port Royal and beautiful Beaufort, South Carolina.